Let's get your booklet ready for printing directly from Canva. First, open up your finished booklet design on your Canva dashboard. Look at the top right corner of your screen, click on the Share button, and scroll down to the Download option. When you click that, a drop-down menu for file types will appear. You want to change the format from PNG or JPEG to PDF print. This option is specifically optimized for professional and high-quality physical printing. Now, if your design goes all the way to the edges of the page, you need to check the box that says crop marks and bleed. This is a crucial step because it adds a small margin around your design to ensure accurate cutting. Without this, you might end up with thin white lines on the edges of your physical booklet after it gets trimmed. Once you have toggled that option on, click the download button at the bottom of the menu to save the PDF file to your device. After the download finishes, locate the file and open it using the web browser or your preferred PDF viewer. Look for the printer icon, usually located in the top menu bar, and click it to open your system's print settings. In this menu, you need to adjust a few important settings to match your specific printing needs. Check your paper size to ensure it matches the actual paper in your printer tray, and set the orientation to landscape or portrait depending on your layout. The critical part here is the scaling option. Make sure it is set to fill page or actual size so your design does not get shrunk down or distorted. If you are printing a standard booklet, you will also want to toggle on the double-sided printing option and select Flip on Short Edge for a traditional book layout. Once everything looks correct in your preview window, click Print. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.